popular demand, or by no demand, to bust another myth. Foggy headlights, they get on everyone's nerves, but we have seen that just cloth and water doesn't work. But apparently, toothpaste and a toothbrush works. I'm not so sure about this. I'm really sceptical about Colgate and this little toothbrush that cost 80p from Asda. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but let's see. Okay, right, as you can see, we've got a foggy headlight here, and it's really frustrating because just a dab of that cloth just doesn't work. So, what we apparently do is put toothpaste on here. This is either like a prank that has gone viral, because I didn't just see this. This has apparently gone viral. Everyone's doing this, and it's apparently a prank that we're just going to find out. And Mythbusters is going to be shut down episode 2 because the boss is going to go nuts that I'm ruining his headlights on one of his cars, or it's going to work. We will find out. It's a bit tedious, I have to say, rubbing this in with the toothbrush. I think it's a punishment. Like, if your kids are ever naughty, just get them to go toothpaste the old headlights, because there's oncoming traffic here and I'm a bit concerned that I'm going to get seen. Anyway, once it's all covered in with the toothbrush, look at that. I think that's covered. There we go. We're done with that. Put that down there for a sec. Right. Okay. Now we've got a bucket of warm water with a cloth. This is it. I'm very excited here. Here we go. Let's see if this works. Okay. I'll tell you what, Mythbusters is blowing my mind. If this works, I have a feeling this might have worked, you know. I haven't just ruined a headlight. I think that's defogged it a bit. If I can actually find a dry bit. Look at that! If we can show a before and after, I think that's worked. They weren't lying. I've not ruined some headlights. You know, they're not perfect, but I'm no valeter. That has worked. Mythbusters, you blow me away. There we go. Another useful video there from Price Cars. That's worked, I think, Derwin. Yeah? That is... wow, that's better than the hot water in the bag, 100%. Right, another 250 to go. I'm not sure it's worked. We've come back a few hours later because no one wants a test just to last 5 minutes. I don't think this has worked. It's still pretty foggy. Now, I maybe didn't do it properly, and people will be like, you didn't do it properly, you've got to do this and that and the other, but I did it pretty much to the letter. I don't think this is work. I think this is a fail. Fail! It doesn't work. Use something else.